Hello, namaste. Welcome to Loco, India's very first live game show app. जहाँ आप हर रोज खेलते हैं, दिन में एक बार नहीं, दिन में चार बार भी खेलते हैं, हम भी खिलाते हैं, सबको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. My name is बरखा सिंह and I'm here to wish you a very happy छोटी दिवाली. हमारा सोशल मीडिया हैंडल इज @getloco. Now you can reach us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. Please keep writing to us क्योंकि ना जब आप when you write to us, when you tell us what happened in your life, what happened in your day, जब आप हमें फैन फोटोज भेजते हैं, जब आप हमें क्रिटिसिज्म्स और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स भेजते हैं, हम सबको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So please continue to do so. This is Loco Percent and Loco Percent का prize money is 50,000 rupees. Yes, rules तो आपको समझाने ही पड़ेंगे because that is very important. But the rules are very simple. So झट फटाफट I'm going to tell you the rules. 10 questions हम आपसे पूछेंगे. Every question will have 3 options, okay? Out of which only range. So आपको अगर rough idea भी है, you can get the right answer. So please make sure your brains are working really fast. Estimates लगाइए, guesstimates लगाइए and win today's game. वैसे कल दिवाली है and because we want to celebrate here at Loco Nation, we have something very special planned for you. क्या है ये? आप एक काम करो, वीडियो ही देख लो. That's right. We have a bumper quiz planned for you at 6:30 PM tomorrow, जो है 2.5 लाख रुपए का प्राइज मनी. 2.5 lakhs is the prize money. And to help you win, we have a jackpot question कल दोपहर के गेम में. So please use that and if you get that jackpot question right, you will win a life. Life की बात कर ही रहे तो Loco streak, 4 दिन लगातार खेली. Even if you play 1 game a day, you will get an extra life. वैसे आपका सबसे favorite format कौन सा है Loco का? Please let us know. You know our social media handles. It's @getloco now. तो हमें बताइए आपका favorite game format कौन सा है? I do have a joke, but for later. Right now, get ready for question number 1, which is, if you get 50 out of 100 in a math exam, what percent marks did you score? Your options are 10 to 20, 40 to 50 or 90 to 100. वाह लोकेश्वर भैया, मतलब दुखती रग पर हाथ रख दिया उन्होंने. I wonder why he specifically chose math. खैर देखते हैं. The right answer is 40 to 50%, which over 51,000 if you have answered correctly. And for those who have answered it wrong, I guess that answers your questions. ये marks इतने familiar क्यों sound कर रहे हैं? This was a super easy question. Let's move on to question number 2. Which is, what percent of the total number of chess pieces at the start of a game are black? Your options are 25 to 30, 45 to 50 or 35 to 40. If you have played chess or if you have watched people playing chess, each player chess में ना begins with the following 16 pieces जो standard होते हैं, which is 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 bishops, 2 knights and 8 pawns. The right answer is 45 to 50% because the right answer is actually 50%. क्योंकि 16 out of the total 32 pieces are black. बाकी के 50% are white. That's why your right answer is 45 to 50%. Let's move on to question number 3. The Earth constitutes % of the total number of planets of the solar system. Your options are 10 to 15, 20 to 25, 30 to 35. These are your options. You know our solar system is made up of a star. वो star है सूरज, the sun, bright yellow like this. And there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Out of which Earth is 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8 अगर आप calculate करें, it is 12.5%, which comes between 10 to 15%. That is why it is the right answer, which over 21,000 if you have answered correctly. Not bad, guys. Let's move on to question number 4. A boy named Raj has 2 brothers and 2 sisters. % of his parents' kids are boys. Your options are 45 to 50, 55 to 60 or 65 to 70%. You know what this reminds me? स्कूल में वो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स होते थे ना, दैट इफ यू हैव 50 watermelons, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हु हैज 50 watermelons? लेट्स मूव ऑन. द राइट आंसर इज 55 to 60%. बिकॉज अगर राज के 2 भाई और 2 बहन है, यानी टोटल उसके पेरेंट्स हैव 5 kids, जिसमें से इंक्लूडिंग राज 3 भाई है, and 3 out of 5 is 60%. That's why 55 to 60% is the right answer. Let's move on to question number 5. Oxygen makes up what percent of dry air at sea level? Your options are 2 to 5%, 11 to 14% या 19 to 22%. अब आप पूछोगे कि ये ड्राई एयर क्या है? वेल, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, ड्राई एयर वो एयर है दैट हैज नो वाटर वेपर, यानी वाटर वेपर को हटा के जो एयर होती है, दैट इज ड्राई एयर. एंड द राइट आंसर इज 19 to 22%, बिकॉज नाइट्रोजन जो है ना इज द मोस्ट अबंडेंट गैस एंड इट इज फाउंड इन ड्राई एयर अराउंड 78.084%. Oxygen is found at 20.947% and carbon dioxide is found at 0.0350%. That's why the right answer is 19 to 22%. Question 6. What percent of the total atoms in one molecule of baking soda are hydrogen atoms? Your options are 5 to 10%, 15 to 20% या 25 to 30%. आ गई ना केमिस्ट्री की याद. You should have paid more attention in chemistry class. You would have answered this question right, but who knows? Maybe you have answered the question right. The right answer is 15 to 20% because baking soda जो है NaHCO3 यानी 1 sodium atom plus 1 hydrogen plus 1 carbon plus 3 oxygen यानी total of 6 atoms per molecule. और हाइड्रोजन का सिर्फ 1 है, so 1 out of 6 is 16.67%. That's why this is your right answer. Question number 7. The teeth make up of dash percent of bones in the human body. Your options are 0 to 5, 10 to 15 या 20 to 25%. अभी जो टीथ होते हैं एंड बोन्स होते हैं, दोनों आर वेरी वेरी हार्ड. दे आर व्हाइट इन कलर एंड दे आर अबंडेंट इन कैल्शियम. But that does not make them the same thing. That's why the right answer is 0.5% because teeth bones हैं ही नहीं. That's why the right answer is actually 0%, which comes between 0 to 5%. Because even though teeth are the hardest part of your body, they are not regenerative. As a result, they are not considered to be bone. That's why the right answer is 0. Question number 8. What percent of FIFA World Cups have been hosted by North American countries? Your options are 9 to 10%, 14 to 15% या 19 to 20%. Okay, now let's calculate. टोटल जो फीफा वर्ल्ड कप हो चुके हैं 21 हो चुके हैं, आउट ऑफ विच 1970 में मेक्सिको में हुआ था विच इज इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका, 1986 में भी मेक्सिको में हुआ था विच इज इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका, एंड 1994 में यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स हुआ था विच इज अगेन नॉर्थ अमेरिका. सो 3 out of 21 अगर आप कैलकुलेट करें इट इज 14.28%, विच कम्स बिटवीन 14 to 15%. That's why it is the right answer, which over 1,000 of you have answered correctly. Question number 9. Dash percent of the total number of Nobel Prize winning individuals are women. Your options are 1 to 2%, 3 to 4%, to 5 to 6%. वैसे आज तक 904 individuals and 24 unique organizations have received Nobel Prizes in total, out of which 51 women in total have won. तो अगर आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे it is 5.6% that comes in 5 to 6%. That's why 5 to 6% is the right answer. This game is getting very very interesting because only 584 of you have answered this correct. All the best guys. Question number 10. According to the world mining data, in 2016, India produced dash percent more salt than in 2015. 5 to 6%, 12 to 13% और 18 to 19% are your options. वैसे salt ना देखा जाए तो it's quite crucial क्योंकि दांडी मार्च तो हुआ ही था, salt act and all of that. पर आपको पता है गुजराती कल्चर में कहते हैं that salt is the first purchase for a wedding and New Year, and the right answer is 5 to 6%, which 225 of you have answered correctly, and you guys have won 200 rupees and 22 paise. Congratulations guys. Let's read out the names of some of the winners क्योंकि भाई छोटी दिवाली है, आपके घर में लक्ष्मी आई है, so let's read out the name. We have Syed, we have Manoj, we have Pavan, Roli, Gymnasts, SV Lord. Congratulations guys for winning this loco. फटावा जोक अब मैं सोच रही मैं आपको अभी दूं या मैं अपने 10 o'clock गेम में दूं. You know what? I'm gonna give you my फटावा joke at the 10 o'clock game क्योंकि मैं ही आपके साथ खेल रही हूँ 10 o'clock game. तो please come join us for the loco quiz at 10 o'clock and I promise I will begin the game with my फटावा joke. So see you at 10 o'clock. Okay guys?